Doing this one by special request. A lot of you guys wanted me to cover the official Melania meme token, and it doesn't really take much to kind of tell. This one is a lot worse than Trump in terms of its price action. It's of course got a lower market cap, it's going to be way more volatile, but straight off the bat here, guys, it's down 80%, and recovering from here is going to be quite difficult. If there's no true roadmap, if there's no true conviction, if there's no true purpose of the token, then it just seems like something that was just done around the inauguration. I don't really know. I would say for sure that buying now is probably going to be far less risky than buying, FOMOing in over here, which was really not a great idea for a lot of people. And I think it's not looking brilliant. It's not looking too good at the moment. With Bitcoin already at $100,000+ post inauguration, we would hope to see something a little more bullish than this. Now we can see, looking at Melania, $2.61, similar tokenomic structure in the sense that 171 million coins are circulating. So think about it, if 4x of that supply gets released now, the market cap will be the same, but the price will come down to $1.30, about $0.65. You're going to see a lot of token dilution. Pardon me. So that's another thing that's a little bit on the bearish side over here. Personally, I don't see anything happen here. We saw the tweet, Jan 19. Since then, there's been no update. There's been nothing. There's literally nothing at all. It's her token. There should be some sort of follow-up with this, because right now, when you go to the Melania website, when you look at the Twitter, I mean, even the website isn't... it just doesn't... It's just not great. It just clicks out to her own... brand, our own personal brand. It doesn't even go to a proper Melania X profile or nothing, from the coin market cap side. So it doesn't look incredible. I'm going to be honest. It doesn't look incredible. But I do think it is bottoming out a little bit. Of course, Melania is also on Bitfinex exchange, guys. Bitfinex is a globally accessible, wonderful centralized exchange you can use to buy cryptocurrencies. It can be Melania. It can be anything you want. Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins. And KYC free, globally accessible from your phone, laptop, wherever you are. Do check it out, ladies and gents. I really like this one. And I will say that right now, for anyone that does deposit $1,000, should all those event slots not get filled up already, they are doing $200 of sort of cashback or bonus rewards for that first $1,000 deposit. So it could be a good time to get into crypto if you're wondering how to buy it or where to. This is a good exchange to on-ramp, off-ramp, and just generally navigate the crypto space. So do check out that Bitfinex. Very nice exchange. Certainly do recommend it. Melania, $2.56, down 80%. Looking at the stats here, we can see liquidity 191 million, still very high. Market cap 640 million, still pretty high in general. Good DEX tool score, 99/99. But it's just bleeding out. Not a lot is really happening here. It's really just bleeding out, and it has been doing so for the last 1 day, 7 hours, just trading absolutely sideways, almost looking like a stable coin, which is just crazy because we're not really seeing that much volatility between the swings here. You're looking at sort of 12% volatility throughout the 24-hour time frame. It's just looking generally a bit weird. We're getting all the volume, but in the wrong direction. You can see here, it just doesn't look right. This doesn't even look right to me. It looks weird. Like in the last 24 hours, there's only been $31,000 of volume. In the last 6 hours, there's only been $2,680 of volume, with way more sales. Very strange. I don't know what's going on here, but not a lot of people are buying this coin right now, and that's something that I can easily identify just from using the DEX tools app. Of course, we could still be seeing a lot of volume over here through like the market side of things. So maybe on exchanges, we could still be seeing quite a bit of volume. Can't actually see properly. I scroll over here. Yeah, so we're still getting millions of dollars worth of volume here on the centralized exchange side, but on the DEX side, not seeing a tremendous amount at all. Also, guys, I want to say if you're out here in the markets, do consider becoming a patron. We've only got 4 crypto legend slots available. We've already got 4 crypto champion slots available. This will give you trading signals, early alpha, stealth launches, and more, and complete VIP access to the Discord, where you can see a lot of the traders are making some huge crypto gains at the moment. So you could also be part of that group. Do check out the Patreon down below. You can also join my Discord for free. It is down there. We are one of the fastest growing communities right now. 38,000 members. Oh my gosh, we're growing quick. So yeah, do become part of the clan, I guess, because think about it. If you are the hanging out with a bunch of guys or girls and you're the 5 people are drunk, you'll soon be the sixth drunk person, right? You got to surround yourself with positive energy and the right people. Overall, I think Melania is another coin I'm going to avoid. I think I'd rather wait and see what this market is going to do. There are better alternative coins out there, in my opinion. You can join the Discord, find out more about those as well. And I think I think we need to see what's going to happen. Are we going to go back to an alt season or a Bitcoin season? I think we could actually lean towards a Bitcoin season soon, which would be absolutely brilliant. Melania, $2.61. Don't think we'll be breaking through to $3 anytime soon unless there is a true catalyst and reason for it to do so. You can see over here in the last sort of 24 hours, Trump is down 14%. That's just not great. And of course, with Melania being affiliated with that, it also pulls down the price of Melania because they're going to have some sort of correlation between the two, which is kind of also a bad thing as well. I would say it doesn't really give the coins their own independency at the same time. But generally speaking, the market is strong. $3.64 trillion market cap with the absence of euphoria, with the absence of excitement. It does create this sort of space for when it does get exciting again, we should see something good happen here. I really expect $4 trillion market soon, which will be an absolute all-time high. So we are sitting, like I say, at an all-time high almost on the market capital valuation of crypto, but it just feels boring. It just feels boring. So when it feels exciting again, that's when we should be in price discovery. And a lot of these coins, like Ethereum, some of the sort of larger top 20 coins should start to grow in terms of their value as well. Be sure to catch the next crypto pump on Bitfinex. Get trading there, guys. You've got tons of options, tons of pairs you can see here. Just scrolling through, everything you could need is on this exchange. So do give them a try. And let me know what you think down in the comments. What do you want to hear next? Happy to cover coins that you might be curious about and talk about them, the supply, the tokenomics, the news, the fundamentals, and generally what I think is going to happen. I think over time this coin, the market cap might come up, but generally with the dilution and the inflation we'll see, it could offset that growth in terms of the price of each coin. So watch this space. Wish you guys a good weekend. Trying to get out as much as content as we can that's relevant for you guys. And overall, the crypto market's still a bit rocky, but we're getting there.